Munene wa borithi wa IHINDA GILBERT Masengeli arokire gutongoria gikaro kia mwanya kia nene honge itiganite cia borithi na DCI kuma ituri ciothe cia bururi niguo kumurika murungamo na wihariria wa bururi hari kung'ethanira na CIIKO itiganite cia UHAGUKU wa ugitiri undu umwe na njira cia guthingatithia ugitiri wa bururi ihinda-ini riri mirurungano ikoretwo igumiire icigo itiganite cia bururi. Mucemanio uyu uhanikite thiku igire mbere ya mururungano uria ukoretwo ukiharirio gukahanika muthenya wa kana ga kiumia giki wa NANE na uria waririirio hindi ya gikaro giki borithi makihinyiriria ni kihoto kia mundu wothe gutabania mururungano na njira iria ciitikiritio kiwatho na iguru ria uguo marutira MUKANA aria othe mabangite gugatuthura ngui hindi ya mururungano uyu.
Every Kenyan as per the law has liberty to demonstrate, picket, and assemble as per the law. And that one, each and everyone is very much aware. And where the privilege of the rights of one ends is where the other starts. We are all Kenyans, and we have to live by the rule of law. This is a Kenya governed by democracy and governance by the constitution. Masengeli
uria utongoririe gikaro kia mbere kuma murwo kunyitirira ta munene wa borithi wa IHINDA ahinyiriirie ugakorwo uri wira wa maabitha borithi guthutukania gatagati ka rurungania thayu na mikora iria ikoretwo ikingirira mirurungano ya muingi.
They have a message. They have said and has been heard. They want it to be done as per the law. And in this regard, it is asked the security agencies to ensure to differentiate the real chances and those who take the opportunist of that riots and whatever, so that they cause mayhem, they cause destruction of property.
Hindi ya mirurungano iria iriga kugumira bururi maabitha borithi ni mokirirwo na njira nene ni undu wa kuhuthira ngari itari na namba ona kana itari na rangi wa ngari cia borithi undu uria Masengeli eheranirie maabitha borithi naguo akiuga ngari ciao ni cioikaine.
A police vehicle is identified by the color, and if you say that you can see any vehicle and assume it is a police vehicle, then you need to go further to clarify and confirm that this is a real police vehicle, because the police vehicles are well known.
Undu ungi borithi makoretwo magiukirirwo naguo ni kwaga kuhe uteithio ruhonge rwa kunyabara borithi rwa IPOA hari uthuthuria wao undu uria meraniire kugacirithia unyitanĩri wao guku maabitha othe a borithi aria matekiraga uniform hindi ya kung'ethanira na arũrũngani moritio gukoragwo na marũa ma gwĩthutũkania na raia.
While in uniform, while in civilian, the police officer remains a police officer, but as per the law, that officer who is in civilian should carry his CIOTHE, card of appointment, certificate of appointment, and in this regard, if asked upon, he will produce and identify himself as a police officer. As we talk today, there are many complaints that have leveled against the officers, and they are investigating. And the officers will be caught culpable, then the law will take its course.
Girivotera Kameme TV, Jitagomora, Wagunya.